Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I'm going to be eating Chick-fil-A spicy chicken sandwich. Oh, I couldn't get my hands on that Popeyes, the spicy Popeyes chicken sandwich, so Chick-fil-A is closer to my place. So, I got a spicy chicken sandwich and a Coca-Cola. Yes, I was undecided, didn't know what to get. I've had this sandwich here for hours. Oh, I had to reheat it. It's been sitting here for, maybe 4 hours. Oh, wow. So, got myself a Coca-Cola. It's late. It's always late when I'm recording. And I am going to dig in. My fries are cold, but it's okay. This is going to be a short video. I was undecided, didn't know what to do. I had some things, like some other, like lamb and some breakfast food. But I know you guys, I don't know, you guys are not relating. I don't know what's going on. It's like you guys are not recognizing or don't like the foods I eat. So I say, well, let me try Chick-fil-A. I went out of my way. Not really. Oh, okay. I've never had the sauce. I only get barbecue sauce. So this is the Chick-fil-A sauce. Oh my God. Whew, it smells strong. You guys know I'm like afraid of to try different sauces. Oh, I stick with things I know are like barbecue sauce. Okay, the barbecue sauce isn't better than Popeyes barbecue sauce. And this is the Polynesian. So I've never had any of their sauces other than the barbecue. So, ooh, I'm afraid. I'm afraid. Okay, now I can't open this one. Okay, let's see. Ooh. So, I don't know which one. I hear the Chick-fil-A is like a signature. And a lot of people I hear love the Polynesian. Oh, so. Ooh. Oh my God, those smells. You know, anything like too vinegary, I don't like. Other than pickles. For some reason, I love my pickles. My fries are getting cold. Well, they're already cold. Like I say, being like been sitting here for a while. So let's see. So this is a spicy chicken sandwich. I don't know what happened to the chicken. Usually it's so plump and juicy. even when it's sitting like 3-4 hours, it's still, the chicken is plump. Pepper jack cheese, my favorite. That's it. The flavor is still there. So good. So delicious. I don't know if we have a thumbnail. But the thumbnail, I usually just randomly pick a thumbnail from my video, whichever. Okay. Okay. I know what the barbecue tastes like. I don't know what the Polynesian tastes like. I'm going to take a small piece of chicken, dip it in the Chick-fil-A sauce first. Oh. Clean my palate. Is that too much? Is it too distracting? Okay. Just a little. Okay, I can't taste it. Kind of a smoky. Kind of tastes like a smoky barbecue flavor. Let me see. This chicken, okay. I don't think I want it on my fries, but let me see how it tastes on fried. I think it's good on the chicken. Take another. Just Chick-fil-A sauce. I think I like that. Now let me try the Polynesian. Polynesian. Chick-fil-A. I don't know. I'm not really a saucy girl. I really hate adding sauces, different things to my burgers, especially like a sauce. I want to taste the sandwich, the burger. I don't want to taste all of the sauce. Do people put their fries, dip their fries into this sauce, or just put it on their sandwich? I don't think I like it on fries. Polynesian tastes okay on fries. Okay, let me taste it with the bun. Let me get a knife. Because I want to taste this. With the bun. Okay. Oh, chicken fell out. So, let's see. I'm going to do the Chick-fil-A. Dip that a little bit. Ooh, that's probably too much. Okay. That was the Chick-fil-A sauce. Now let me try the Polynesian. I can't explain this taste. Kind of sweet, honey, smoky. Okay. I think the Polynesian tastes better, but I wouldn't want it on my burger. I think it would taste really, it would taste fantastic with the nuggets and no bun. Let's see. Try this again. Ooh. Oh. Oh, that's too much. Oh my. Oh no. Oh. Okay. That's enough of the Polynesian. I'm gonna have a pickle. This is the Chick-fil-A. Very vinegar. Yeah, I can taste the vinegar. No sauce is needed for me. I do not like sauce on. It just take away from the flavor. You can't really taste the true ingredients. So I feel when people buy like seasoned chicken or kebabs at the grocery store, they're just trying to hide that it's like past the expiration date. God, I can't believe this was like almost $10. $10? Mm. That's very pricey. I really want that Popeye's chicken, the Popeye's spicy chicken sandwich. I would have to drive to the hood. I think Inglewood or Hollywood or the Valley to get it. That was way out of my way. Danger. Especially, go to Inglewood. First, chicken sandwich. Take some of this bread. It's a little hard. Are we still rolling? Okay. Because my battery is a little low. $10. You know, I was like, seems like you guys are not appreciating what I'm eating on camera. I know a lot of, well, let me chew this. I know food channels, they like a lot of fast food, trending foods. They like massive amount. More like trending food. So, I said, okay. Let me maybe do a Chick-fil-A. Because my views are very low. And I put a lot of time, a lot of work, you know, hard work, effort. So I'm trying to improve my video quality, because sometimes when I just do those random cuts, this is chewy. When I do the random cuts, maybe some of you guys don't like that, but I don't think it's anything to do with the editing, because, you know, I'm still getting low views. I don't care if I put my breasts out or any, you know, or try to have a really sexy picture, you know, it's like, I don't know if it's YouTube or I don't know what's going on, but it isn't working. So, I like to cook my own food, stay in control of my sodium, my fat. So, but I heard that works only for YouTubers with lots of subscribers. I don't know. I don't need any sauce on my that was my first time tasting the Chick-fil-A sauce, the Polynesian. No, I don't need that. So, I don't know. I hope this is a trending video. I know people like Chick-fil-A, and so. But I did do a lamb shank, and people are not interested in clicking on when they see lamb shank. I don't know. I do have the beloved sauce. I ordered. It came in January. I don't know. I think I'm going to prepare it. I'm going to do a seafood boil. Mussels, shrimp, sausage, potatoes, corn. I don't know. I better hurry up because it's collecting dust. You know, it took so long. Oh my God, it took forever to get here. Like over a month. So, I've just been too lazy to prepare it. You know, get the ginger, onions, Coca-Cola. Oh my God. Okay. Okay, my Cola Bears. It is late. When I say it's late, it is really late. And this Chick-fil-A been sitting for like over 4 hours. So I do have another video, but I am going to bed. I am going to get some rest or watch a movie. Oh, and with this corona virus going around, please be careful. Do not touch. I think it entered the United States. 15 people, I think. 15 people have been tested positive. So you have to keep in mind, out of those 15 people, who they came in contact with. So, wow. It can be thousands of people. Whew. Danger. We in trouble. We in trouble now. We in trouble now. Well, I never did touch anything. Like the gas, I always kept in my trunk. I always kept a box of gloves. You know, I just hate touching things. Doorknobs, public, no. I don't touch. So, you guys just be careful and wear a mask. Don't be afraid. Don't be ashamed or afraid to wear a mask. You're protecting yourself. And I was watching a few movies, which I've watched them way before the coronavirus came out. Virus, you can find it on YouTube, free. Virus 1995, Pandemic. I watched one today, Contact. Oh, Final Contact. Yeah, that's a good one to watch. It's Final Contact. I can't even remember the name, but it's getting serious, y'all. So, and I don't want to be shaking hands and you have to protect yourself. And you know, everything is made in China. Everything is made in China. So it's like, It's not just airborne. It's like you touch. Okay, that's enough. I watched enough movies, so I'm like freaking out. Okay, my Cola Bears, don't forget to, okay, my Cola Bears, I hope you guys are having a great weekend. If you're not a Cola Bear, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. It works. I guarantee you it works. I am so tired. It is really late. I got a Chick-fil-A, like, oh my God, hours, well, like an hour before closing time, and plus I had to sit in here like 3 hours. Whew. So I am really tired. So if you're not a Cola Bear, please hit that subscribe button. It works. I guarantee you it works. Okay, so don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a coworker, tell your mother, tell your brother, tell your friends, and I'll be back with another video. Happy hour, girl. Happy hour, girl. Okay, it's a wrap. That's all, folks. Ooh, sugar gonna have me hyper. Cheers, my Cola Bears, my Cola Bears. That's it. That's all, folks. It's a wrap. Oh, just trying to keep my head above water, water, water.